In a world where technology evolves every second, one thing has become clear. Artificial intelligence isn't here to replace us. It's here to empower us. Some people fear AI, thinking it might take away jobs or creativity. But the truth is, AI doesn't compete with human intelligence. It amplifies it. AI can analyze data in seconds, automate repetitive tasks, and help us focus on what truly matters: innovation, creativity, and human connection. Teachers use AI to personalize learning. Doctors use it to detect diseases early. Designers and content creators use AI to bring their ideas to life faster than ever before. AI isn't stealing opportunities, it's creating new ones. Imagine this: you and AI, side by side. You bring the vision, the emotion, the creativity. AI brings the speed, precision, and limitless potential. The future belongs to those who adapt, not those who fear change. AI isn't your rival, it's your most powerful ally. So instead of asking, "Will AI replace me?" ask, "How can AI help me grow?" Because the truth is simple: AI is your partner in progress, not your competition.